In today's video, we're going to show you how you can share trial reels on Instagram. Trial reels are a new Instagram feature that allows you to share your reel with accounts that don't follow you to test its performance. This feature is perfect for experimenting with fresh ideas and gathering early feedback without sharing the reel with your followers right away. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step that we'll do is to open the App Store or the Google Play Store and then make sure that Instagram is updated. Since this is a new feature, you'll have to update Instagram to the latest version in order to get this feature. My app is already updated, so I'll open it and make sure that you're logged into the correct Instagram account. Now, let's start by creating or uploading our reel. And we can do that by tapping on the little plus option at the bottom center of the screen. Then select the reel section at the bottom. The next step is to open the reel camera. And let's tap on the camera icon at the top left corner in order to do that. You can now record or edit your Instagram reel as you normally would. Add the music, effects, stickers, and all those other things which you need. Or you can simply upload a finished reel right from your photo gallery. So all the steps are the same before uploading the trial reel. We will tap on the next option 2 times in order to get to this last page where our job is to write out the description, add the location, tags, and all those other things. But you will then see this new trial button which we will enable. You will see that we have this menu appear over our screen where it says, try out content with a new audience using trial reels. Instagram will show a trial reel to your non-followers in order for you to get early feedback on whether your content resonates. You will then be able to see key insights within 24 hours after sharing so you can understand how your trial reel is performing. These new trial reels will not appear on our Instagram profile, but some of your followers may still be able to see your reel if someone shares the link with them, so keep that in mind. And if you're happy with how your reel performs after a day or two, you can share the reel with your followers. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.